In modern PCB fabrication, imaging is where accuracy becomes reality. Unlike conventional laser LDI, which writes pixel by pixel, Miva's digital micromirror light engine projects an image of over 2 million pixels at once. Miva's quad-wave LED technology adds another major advantage: energy control. With 4 UV wavelengths, we can tune the exposure to the resistant material, improve consistency, and support a broad range of photo-imageable products without being locked into a single spectral output. The system measures as-built reference targets on the panel and applies dynamic scaling, using a deep set of scaling algorithms, so the image fits what the material actually did, not what we hoped it would do. That translates to tighter alignment, stronger yields, and more predictable results as designs get denser and tolerances get tighter. And because it's an efficient LED platform, it's designed to keep uptime high and operating costs low. For our customers, that means tighter features, better registration, and consistent quality, delivered faster with a process we can trust.